Can you do it again for Mama? Can you do it again? You could do it. Here, I'll come over here. Come on. Yeah, he's sleeping. Can you get down, honey? Come on. Oh, almost.
Almost, Baby Johnny.
Yeah, almost.
Baby Johnny's well over.
I know, he can do it. We gotta be patient. Come on.
Come on, go over. Come over. Go over. Go over. Good job.
Come on. Yay, good job, buddy. Good job. You did it, buddy. You did it. Good job.
Baby Johnny.
What did he do, Zeph?
Baby.
Did he roll over? Oh,
It's crying.
he doesn't know what to do now. You want some help?
It's crying. It's crying.
Okay, we'll get him. Good job, baby boy. Oh. You little cutie. Whoa, careful, Zeph. Bye-bye.